Let us find the value of x in this exponential equation. This one now, we first of all break this one to 3 squared. Yes. And if you do that, the powers now are x minus 1 over 2 and equals to 3x squared. This equation involves quadratic equation because the value of x here is, the power of x here is 2. So here you have, if you remove this bracket, you have 3 power 2x minus 1 and equals to 3 raised power x squared. So the bases are equal, so you cancel them out. What you have here will be 2x minus 1 equals to x squared. Clearly the equation is quadratic, so you now rearrange it. If you do that, you have x squared minus 2x plus 1 will be equals to 0. After the arrangement, that's what you get. So here, we think of two numbers, the factors in which if you add them, you get minus 2. And if you multiply them, you get plus 1. The numbers here are minus 1 and minus 1. Minus 1 is minus 2. And minus 1 times minus 1 is 1. So you replace minus 2x with minus 1. So this is how it will be. X squared minus x plus 1 equals to 0. So you now bracket them. So this one you have x squared minus x in brackets plus minus x plus 1, 2, also in brackets. So you take the bracket separately. The first one now you have x into x minus 1. And the second one we have minus 1 into x minus 1 all equals to 0. You can see that this one equal. So you have x minus 1 into x minus 1 will be equals to 0. So either x minus 1 equals to 0 or x minus 1 equals to 0. So therefore x will be equals to 1 or x will be equals to 1. So if you consider now what you have here will become x will be equals to 1 twice. And that is the final answer. Thank you for being here. Please help me share this video. Alright.